Hello everyone. I am very excited today. I'm excited because this is my first Swahili lesson. I felt that this will probably be very useful for those of you who are interested in learning Swahili. Likewise Zulu. Um, my first lesson will basically be the introductions, the greetings. Just the greetings. And then I think my second lesson I'll probably go ahead and do like the first encounters. I think those are essential. Those are essential when learning any language. I don't like to go about the traditional way of learning a language due to not being able to learn the real stuff. I mean, the real important stuff that you need in the actual situation. So perhaps my way of teaching will be a little bit unorthodox, but believe me, it is a lot better than the traditional system you will learn in school, because this way you will learn how to actually speak the language. So let's get started here. Fix my camera. And this time, not like before, I decided to just go ahead and write it out because I'm sort of on a time limit here for YouTube. They don't give you enough time for making more videos, so I just decided to write it all out beforehand, and I hope you guys can see that. Okay, where's my marker? So what do we have here? We have from here habari. These are all the habaris you see are all the greetings here. So starting with the first one, you can just when meeting someone for the first time, or any of your friends, you can say habari to them, which means how are you? Habari. And I hope it should be viewable. So habari here, how are you? And then you have habari gani, what's the news? Like what's the news? What's going on? What new news do you have for me? Habari gani. Habari za sabuhi. Good morning. Habari za sabuhi. Good morning. Habari za leo. Good day. Habari za leo. Good day. Habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. Good afternoon. Habari za jioni. Habari za jioni. Good evening, including the night. Habari za jioni. Habari yako. Habari yako. What's up with you? Habari yako. Habari zenu. Habari zenu. How are you all? Habari za nyumbani. Habari za nyumbani. How's everyone at home? And nyumbani, this nyumbani actually means like home. So habari za nyumbani. How's everyone at home? Habari za kazi. Habari za kazi. How's work? And here kazi means work. Habari za sahizi. Habari za sahizi. How are you now? And this habari za sahizi, you will use that in the second encounter. So if I saw you this morning and then I ended up seeing you again like in the afternoon or the evening, then I will use habari za sahizi, which meaning second encounter in the same day. Well, no, it means how are you? I'm sorry. It means how are you up until this point? How are you? And that's the second encounter in the same day. So here you have all the greetings. These are all your greetings. These are important to know. Likewise in the other language. These are the relevance of learning a language for at the beginning. And here I have yes, no, You can, for yes, they have two ways. You can say ndio, ndio, or nam, nam, which is an Arabic word coming from Arabic. And no, la, la. That's also an Arabic word. And in hapana, hapana. So probably maybe you asking about the pronunciation of the words. It's pretty, it's not really that difficult, you know. Hapana, pretty simple. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of time on that. You'll get used to it. Here, you have, for responding, you have good, fine, clean. Nzuri means good. Nzuri. Salama, fine. Salama. Safi, clean. Safi. So, if I were to ask you, let's go here. If I ask you habari yako here, if I ask you habari yako, what's up with you, you could reply with any of these here. You could say safi, safi, salama, or nzuri. Let me check my time. 6:35. Okay. So these are your responses here. These are the ones you will use to a question here. Even to habari, habari za sabuhi, habari za leo. These will be the responses. And here, these words here, I believe when learning any language at the beginning, there are 6 words, or actually 7, you should learn like right away. Who, you have who, what, when, where, and why, how, and then how long. Because when meeting a native speaker, they're going to ask you. They're going to know why you want to learn Swahili or whatever language you're learning, who you're studying with, and they may ask you when do you plan to go to Africa or whatever country, and what resources you use for learning language, etc. And then you have how long. They'll ask you how long you've studied language. Now, I know you're saying, well, we don't know how to respond. Well, don't worry about that. My lessons will be about forming those sentences quick, so don't worry too much about that. You'll be able to respond in this really soon. So here, you have where, wapi. Where, wapi. What, nini. Nini. When, lini. Lini. How, gani. Gani. Why, kwanini. Kwanini. Who, nani. Nani. And most of the time, except for why, all of these words, they will come at the end of the sentence. You'll see that later on. I'll give you some examples. But now, just memorize these for now, because they will be useful. They will be very useful. So these are your greetings here, and I have some other greetings I'm gonna make in the second part. I'm gonna make the greetings the second part. So I'm gonna cut it here for now, and start the second part with the other greetings. I'll see you guys shortly.